Hey guys, winter finally came. It's still snowing out, like 10 o'clock in the morning. I can't get out that door, so we gotta go out the porch door. Come on, puppy dogs!
Come on!
What do you think? She's tried shoveling her car out so far. Let's go out into it, see what we got.
Wait a minute.
Well, I fixed the neighbor's snowblower the other day. I guess that's working.
Okay, watch out there. Ready?
Go get mama!
Get it, Lily!
All right. Well, gee, my truck made out well. I got nothing around mine.
Yeah, what happened? I got it all.
Yeah. It's all where you park. Yeah, you tell them ready for the weather. Tent garage looks like it made out okay. I went and I knocked the snow off it from the inside the other day. We're getting deeper. I gotta go to the shallow part. It's going up my pant legs. Woohoo! All right. Let's see what this side looks like. Oh, we're good. But getting to the garage might be a different story. I got about 3.5 feet of snow in front of me. Hooah! 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 Getting there. Yeah. Let's go take a peek in the backyard. I'm worried about the back tent garage. It's got a funky looking roof on it. There's a little bit of wind drifting on that, huh? It's got about 5 feet of snow on the one edge. It's higher than the peak. Let's go address that, huh? Go to the neighbor's house up to the second floor. That's some snow. All right, back to the garage. He didn't lock it, he didn't bring my keys. I'm in. I didn't leave this outside. Of course, I didn't bring my flashlight. Turn the alarm off.
System disarmed.
Alright, lock the door. This ought to be fun. Yeah. That's a wall of snow. Cleaned the bottom of the door off though, didn't it? Well, that ought to take a little while. Hey guys, figured I'd just do a little peekaboo, kind of show you what we're dealing with here. And I think we got, officially it's like 26 inches right now, but there's still another 3 or 4 coming. So we got pretty close to the 30. It all depends on where the drifts are, you know. Someplace got 4 feet of snow, someplace have no feet of snow. So, well, I'm gonna fire up the tractor, hopefully everything works. And I'm gonna go blow snow for about the next 2 hours. And then I'm sure the phones are gonna start ringing and people are gonna want their stuff fixed. Alright guys, I'm signing off. Oh, you know what? I think it's Your Beekeeper. I think it's his name. He's putting a snowblower on a Gilson tractor. Let me turn my light on here. And that way I can just kind of show him. I told him there's like, they use lift springs on the snowblower to help lift the load so the hydraulics aren't doing all the lifting. So that's the setup on this one. I do have a Gilson out back, the same tractor he's working on, but on my Ariens, this is the setup on it. Same shaft drive that he's looking at, double pulley down there. Some of the guys are talking about to run it. And then my shaft is pretty much straight across. Keep the jokes to yourself. And I was telling him that if you flip my hood open, it's the snowblower chute will hit the hood of the snowblower. So that's how close you want to keep the snowblower tucked into the tractor. If not, you put so much weight on your wheels, front wheels, that you can't steer in your brake steering components, and the ass end will get really light and you won't have any traction. A lot of guys put weights on them. This one has the rototiller. I just leave on it year round, and it's a good counterweight too. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay warm, stay dry. Yeehaw. Bye.